Hey guys, so as you can see from the title of today's video, I'm just gonna give you guys a very quick tutorial on how I do a sleek ponytail on my natural hair. Okay, who said you can't slay your natural hair? Like, I know a lot of people, they have a hard time having trying to have a slick low ponytail on their natural 4C hair. So I'm just gonna show you guys how I do it on my hair. My hair is thick and it's also my hair is really short. I've been on my natural journey for about 2 years now. I started all over from scratch, cut all my hair off, and I just decided that I want to go all natural, no more chemicals in my hair. So I'm just going to show you guys how I do my sleek ponytail. So in case you guys were wondering what oils I used in my hair, I have a mixture of oils. That's coconut oil, virgin oil, olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, and castor oil. So I mix it all together, and that's the oils that I put in my hair. And I also have a video on how I do my hot oil treatment using these oils, so be sure to check that out. I'll link it in the description below. So right now I'm just parting my hair in sections to make it easier for me to sleek my ponytail, if you know what I mean, because I want it to lay flat. So I have to comb through my hair, and it's not a ponytail if you don't have your echo styling gel. Okay, so what I'm doing here, I already parted a small section at the back, so I added some echo styling gel and I'm just combing through. That's key, you guys. Like, if you have natural 4C hair like me, type 4 hair, you have to like part it in very small sections and comb it through if you want your ponytail to be super flat. You want it to be slick and just slay. You know what I mean. You have to part it in very small sections and you add your gel. So that's kind of like the method that I use, so it works for me. So yeah, that's what I would recommend. I don't know if there's another way to do it. If you know another way to do it, let me know in the comment section below if you know an easier way, but this is my way. Okay, so I added, just parting my hair in sections and adding my gel gradually, and kind of like combing through to and try to get the hair to be as flat as possible. You guys, you're gonna need lots of gel for this. Okay, I'm just letting you know, you're gonna need lots of echo styling gel for this. So now I'm doing the side, so I'm just combing that section through, and then I'm gonna add my echo styling gel. um and I think you can use, I don't know, any other gels. Like, this is the gel that I prefer to use, I should say. Like, I know of other gels, but I don't know, I just prefer to use my echo styling gel. It works perfect for me. It doesn't really leave much, like, it doesn't leave the white residue on my hair. So that's what I've been using, and it works like a charm. So now I'm doing the other side, and I'm just doing the same thing, adding my gel and combing my hair through, just to ensure that the hair is, trying to get it to be as flat as possible, you guys. So just so, if you haven't, guys, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, feel free to subscribe. It's free. Hit the subscribe button, that red button there. Yeah, hit that button. Okay, and show your girl some love by hitting the like button if you actually do like this video, and leave a comment in the comment section below. Let me know, do you have natural 4C hair? Have you ever tried doing a low ponytail? And let me know if this is the method that you use, or of any other method that you guys use, or if you will be trying this method. Let me know in the comment section below. So now I'm just putting my hair in the ponytail. I'm using some rubber bands that I got from the dollar store. It's not the best, but it works. It works, you guys. So that's what I'm doing here.